It's the it's my lunch hour walk, guys. My lunch hour walk with my supporters. Yeah, it's another day, another rainy day. Walking in the rain. Look at the beautiful tree. It's another day walking in the rain, and it's very cold. It is cold. It is cool, guys. So beautiful. And I don't have any umbrella. Alright, let's go this way and turn around. Why my teacup was so hot? So hot, hot. In a couple weeks, these trees will be fully loaded with leaves. Welcome in, welcome in. Who is on the live? It's another wet afternoon, but I still have to do my walk. Welcome in, guys. It's wet. Wet another day, but I'm doing my walk. I thought I couldn't done it because when I came out it was drizzling, but it stopped. It stopped and allowing me to do a few stretches. So let's go this way. Hope I can come back. Oh, I feel the drops more. So I not even have anything over my head. So I'm gonna turn back, guys. I don't have nothing over my head. And it's drizzling. So I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna turn around. It's drizzling. I don't want to get sick. Look on the ground. Look at the trees. Beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it lovely? Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful trees. Beautiful. Look at it. And look at that white one. That pink one and that white one. So beautiful. So beautiful. Look at the ground. Look at the ground. Look at the ground. Ooh. So guys, I have to turn back because it's drizzling. I don't want to get sick on this leg of the walk. Yes, it's raining. It's coming down heavily. I didn't take my umbrella.
But after the other night,
Mm-hmm. Look at the beautiful plants. Beautiful. Isn't it beautiful, guys? It's so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah. Raining, guys. It's raining. I'll show you the trees from this angle. So it looks like it's snowing. It's not snowing. It's the white flower on the tree. So beautiful. Mm-hmm. So beautiful. Mm-hmm. See there? Look at the trees behind me. So beautiful. Mm-hmm. So guys, it's Friday. It's Friday. Friday. It's another Friday. It's another Friday. No, it's not the first Friday. Oh, it's the second Friday in April. Mm-hmm. Second Friday in April. Mm-hmm. So guys, I've gotta go now because it's raining and I'm going inside. I'm going to have my lunch. So thank you for coming in. No one is talking. Persons are here, but they're not talking with me today. I don't know why. And it's so beautiful outside. Hi, Nation. Happy Friday. I was just gonna cut the live because it's raining on the outside, and I have to go and have my lunch because I tried to do it first thing. Try to walk first thing. Hope you're having a good Friday, but it's raining on this side. Is it raining in Jamaica? Ooh, it's cold. Ooh, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's windy. It's windy and cold. Mhm. Yep. Hi. Oh, it's sunny. Wow, lucky you. Lucky you. That person is on my live again. Who is this person? Welcome. Hope you like my page and subscribe to my channel and following me. Oh, Nation, I was showing you the pretty flower, the pretty tree. Look at the pretty tree on the outside. It's blooming. Pretty, 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 pretty. It's so beautiful. Yeah. So that's what I was showing before. Yeah. So I can't get to go out to go watch the traffic or go by the river because it's raining. Yes, it's beautiful and it's all around. It's all around the building on the outside there. It's right around. It's so beautiful. Let me see if I can show you guys. No? Um, not today. It's raining. I can't go out. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Mhm. 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 Oh really? Oh, I'm so sorry. I know T Nation is on live, but because I'm a regular afternoon walk, I came on still, knowing that some of the persons them over there, but that's fine. They will see this video after. Mm-hmm. But I still do the little walking. Mm-hmm. So I will see you later. I'm gonna have some lunch now. I'm gonna have for lunch. I'm gonna warm up my lunch and get set back for work. So see you guys on the other side. Remember to like, share, and comment. Thank you so much for watching and sharing my videos. Okay, guys? Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. All right? Bye, 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 bye. Bye, guys. Take care.